Hello, my name is Charlotte King. I am the founder and the current chair of the Southern Delaware Alliance for Racial Justice. Our vision is the elimination of racism and all of its corrosive consequences through education, information, and advocacy. We have been in existence for 10 years, and through the development of many programs, we have, I really believe, brought some unity into the Sussex County community and some visibility to the Black residents within this community and within the state of Delaware who have become less visible in recent decades. We have created many programs so that there's the opportunity to participate in our educational scholarship programs, in our programs that provide an opportunity for citizens to get together, a diverse group to get together and talk about how their implicit biases, well, first to become aware of their implicit biases, but then to understand how those implicit biases were developed. We know that one is not born a racist, one is taught to be a racist around that family table when they were youngsters. It's a wonderful 6-week program, and it has many people who have attended it, graduated from it, and continue to fight for racial justice. We also have a program in working with a local John Dickinson plantation where we are trying to erase the silences of the many enslaved people who worked on the plantation. And we're very proud of the results of that program. We have a wonderful book club where we only read Black literature, and it's attended by men and women. At the centerpiece of the Alliance have always been our town halls, where the community gets a chance to talk to people from all aspects of the Delaware community, whether it's the governor's office, the attorney general's office, school superintendents, students who attend the schools, recently incarcerated individuals. There is no end to it. We have a returning citizen support committee where we will help citizens transitioning back into the community who need some support in terms of finding housing and meeting their basic needs. It's a long-term program, and we are very proud of the fact that we have done this for 10 years with the help of passionate, committed volunteers and good community support. We would like to go on for another 10 years, but we need your help. We also have, and I don't know how I could have forgotten, that one of our biggest accomplishments is we've created a magazine called Black Voices, which is sent to 17,000 plus families and also mailed to an additional 200. It makes though you don't see the Black American necessarily within Sussex County, because through regentrification, the population has been sorely reduced, but you can hear, you can learn about the vital contributions of the Black Americans to Sussex County through reading Black Voices. It can be gotten through the Cape Gazette on a quarterly basis. But all of these programs cost money, and we have never really asked for money via grants and otherwise. What I'm asking for you is to consider us when you are contributing on Due More 24, which is coming up very shortly in the first week in March. We would like to continue for another 10 years because we see the impact that our organization and its many programs have had on the community. A community which is threatened, like every other community in the United States at this point, by a deterioration of all those systems that were developed to keep us whole and healthy as a country. So I ask you to join us on the journey to justice, on the journey to eliminating racism and all the other social injustices by contributing to us on 2 More 24. And by the way, helping us celebrate our 10th anniversary. There will be such celebration in May, and you can look at our website for further description of that. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to your contribution to our programs. And by the way, you can always join our dialogue to eliminate racism and to continue the conversation with your neighbors or with people that you at one point felt very uncomfortable with, to discuss racism and perhaps offer solutions as to how we can minimize it in our community. Thank you very much.